If you have play like this in the bearing, you must replace it to make sure that no water or sand, mud can enter inside the gear during the season. Proceed to the replacement of the bearing when you see this play. To remove the bearing, first remove the clips. Then remove the washer. Then press the shaft out. Then clean the parts. When it's clean, look if the second bearing is damaged also. Most of the time this bearing is don't damage. If this bearing is not damaged, we just need to replace the outside bearing. The next step is to put out the bearing. So use a tool to remove that bearing. Clean it. When it's clean, analyze the second bearing again and replace if needed. Press the new bearing inside the outside shaft. Put the washer to protect the bearing and press it. When the new bearing is installed, press the shaft. Make sure it turns correctly. Put the washer. Then put the clips. Make sure the shaft is turning correctly and you don't have a play. If you have a play here with the new shaft, you can add some small washer between the clips and the bearing. Here nothing moves and the bearing is okay. The shaft is turning perfectly. Now you can continue the maintenance of the motor.